Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Menemen, Turkish style eggs. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you are watching us on. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Menemen, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, medium dice, 1 green bell pepper, medium dice, 2 tomatoes, medium diced, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sumac powder, and 4 large eggs. Let's head over to the skillet and start making this. Alright, as you can see, we are at the stove. I've got all the mise en place all set up with our whisk and our spoon, all the bowls of our ingredients, kind of in order of how we're going to be cooking this. So I'm going to focus on the pan and we will begin cooking. Alright, we got our pan. I got it medium-high heat. I'm going to add our oil, let that get hot. Alright, we got a nice shimmer going on this. It's starting to move around, so I'm going to put our onions and peppers right on in here. Alright, and then we got our little bit of salt and pepper. We'll just stir all this up. We just basically want to cook this down until it's soft. Onions and peppers are both soft, so that's what we'll let this do. They are soft, translucent. Peppers are starting to get a little soft as well, so I'm going to go ahead and add our tomatoes in there, juice and all. Just want to stir this in too. A little salt and pepper in there. Let's stir it up. We got those tomatoes break down. Now I do want to cook these tomatoes down until they're blistered and kind of shriveled up. I had 1 tomato and I have some grape tomatoes, and I threw grape tomatoes in there. It's okay, as long as you got the tomato product in there and it's cut about the same size as the peppers and onions, you're good to go. I'm going to let these go a little bit longer and then we'll do our next step. Alright, turn the heat down just a touch. Everything is breaking down, flying out of the pan. There we go. Alright, so now we want to just hit it with our sumac powder, a little more salt and pepper, and of course the oregano. I'm going to stir that in. Let's go with our ketchup. You want to just stir all this in really well so it cooks down just a little bit. I'm going to just turn the heat down a little bit. And while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and scramble up our eggs. Now this is like a shakshuka almost. I'm not poaching the eggs on top, but this is a Middle Eastern egg dish. This is a Turkish egg dish. Shakshuka is more North Africa, Tunisian area, Morocco, but I'm sure they intersect somewhere in there. Got our eggs scrambled, got our mixture ready to go. That's going to pour the egg mixture right in the middle. We're going to let that cook a little bit. What I've read about this is the eggs are supposed to be just a little bit loose in here. So I'm just going to mix this all up and soft scramble these. It looks fine, looks good. It smells fantastic. Just for salt and pepper in there. We've all seen the shakshuka where the eggs are left on top and then covered with a lid so they poach nicely. I almost thought about doing that, but I wanted to have a stiff contrast between the two, so I didn't do that. I just scrambled it in like it says to. And I'm going to turn this off because this looks like it's about done. We're going to plate this up, take some gorgeous pictures of it with some wonderful music. We're going to lay that in the timeline so you can listen to that music while you're watching these pictures go by, and then we'll come back and we're going to taste this. Don't go anywhere. Beautiful plating, beautiful music in there. You see all that. We got the tomatoes, the peppers, eggs, all the herbs, spices in there. Nice little bite right there. Wow, very soothing, very flavorful. Texture is soft. The vegetables cook down like that, make it soft too, but you're getting all the aromatics from those vegetables when they cook down. A little bit of this on our crusty bread. Perfect. Perfect. Taste that oregano in there. That earthy sumac with the citrus profile in there. Salt and pepper perfectly along the way. Yeah, this is awesome. Very good. Very delicate flavors, very earthy flavors, and it's just really good. Hard to explain the earthiness, or not the earthiness, but it's just the delicateness of the flavors. Are delicate. Each one you can taste, but yet all together they just are very good. So here you go, Menemen Turkish breakfast. I hope you enjoy watching this. The recipe for this is down in the description box. Don't forget to click on that. Make this. It's easy. It's not spicy, but it's very, very good. Take care. We'll see you again.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen.